have to work a lot with data, like do ETL process or segment SQL, then you have to work with automation. But when you want to work with decision making, when you want to streamline a process, when you want to create a journey for a specific use case, which is nothing but the series of communications sent where you take decisions when to send a particular communication, then we use Journey Builder. So in Journey Builder, we have seen how the data enters. The first entry source we have seen is the data extension. Whatever data we have created, we can include it into the journey and the data would flow into the journey from that data extension. How you are getting data to that data extension, we have seen couple of ways, like how to manually import the data to a data extension. Then we have seen how to use SFTP to import the data to a data extension. We have also seen how to get Salesforce CRM data, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, lead objects, contacts, custom standard object data to Marketing Cloud using synchronization. So these are the few activities you will perform to get data to the data extension. These are not the real-time activities. Always there will be minimum 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or a standard difference between the actual generation of data and the data import. The other activities the other entry sources which we have inside the Journey Builder are API event. API event are the real-time APIs which will help you trigger the journey. The other is Salesforce data. Currently, we are getting Salesforce data from synchronized data extension, and there is a 15-minute lag whenever we get that data to Marketing Cloud. But we have a Salesforce data as an entry event. We have Salesforce data as an entry event, which will listen that event immediately happened on Salesforce and will take decision inside the journey automatically. Suppose some field you want to track in the Salesforce. You want to track, suppose you sent an email to a lead, and if that lead made a purchase through that email or not, this thing you want to update on the lead object. And based on that value which you want to fill, you want to take decisions. If the purchase has been made, you want to send an acknowledgement letter to the lead. So this is real time. Salesforce data is an entry source in Journey Builder, which will help you listen the events happening inside the Salesforce platform. Currently, it is not real time, which we have synced. That is a data sync process which you can keep in Marketing Cloud. Write SQLs, try, manipulate, segment that data for your marketing purpose. But whenever you want to take actions on the events occurred in Salesforce, you have Salesforce data as an entry event. So these three entry events we will see. Data extensions, audience, we will not see because it is a part of Audience Builder platform. Cloud pages we will not see because it is a part of Web Studio, which are not available. Event we have already seen. Once we activate the automation, in automation an event gets created to trigger a journey. So we will study API events and Salesforce data as two other types of entry sources in Journey Builder. These three are the these three events are mostly followed and will be asked in your interviews. Data extension we have seen. Today we will go with Salesforce data. As we have already integrated Salesforce with Marketing Cloud, we will work with Salesforce data. Tomorrow we will see API event. Cloud pages are actually important thing which we can't see, unfortunately. Neither I can show you a demo because this is a premium functionality of Salesforce.
Yeah.
Okay, and that we can't see. But data extension, Salesforce data, API event, which we will see. Now, what all activities we have seen? Activities we already know. Email, SMS, push notifications, all these are the activities. Even you can integrate Advertising Studio, which is also a premium platform of Salesforce with Marketing Cloud, to start advertising on Google AdWords, ad campaigns, Facebook posts and all. But those things you do not have to, learn as of now. Marketing Cloud is a very big ecosystem. Apart from this, you have CDP Interaction Studio as well. So 10 products combines to become the entire platform. So, but the one which you are studying here is enough for you to go and get a job and then get a licensed account and use cases. Because without money, we can't get those platforms provisioned. Now we have then activities, and then we have different types of activities. Like the first type of activities in journey we have seen are messaging and advertising activities. The other types of activities in journey we have seen are flow control activities, which will help you define the logic in the journey. Whether you want to take decision on the engagement data, we have learned engagement engagement split. That is a flow control activity, which will check if any email was opened or not, got bounced, or any link inside the email got clicked or not. If you want to take decisions on the journey data, that means the data extension you have configured directly with the journey. Always you have to configure something directly with the journey. That is called as journey data. Then you have decision splits. In decision splits, you can read the values, attributes of the data extensions, and you can take decisions. But decision split also has capability to work with contact data. Contact data are the attribute groups which we created to create a data model for our implementation. So on that contact data as well, we were able to take decisions on the distributed data model which we created. So decision splits will be, a lot of discussions you will have around in the interview. So better you theoretically read all these definitions as well, because with definitions you have to make them understand an example as well. That is how they will only be convinced. Then we have seen join activities, how to join two different journey paths. We have seen how to copy an activity, how to join two different journey paths to unite a journey. Then we have seen wait activity. You can pause, you can create a wait of 1 day, 2 day, 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever. Wait by duration means 1 hour, 2 hour, 2 days. Wait until date means you specify a particular date that at this point of time I want to hold the trigger. All these things we have seen. So these are the second type of activities in the journey builder, which are flow control activities. And third type of activities we have specifically for Salesforce and Salesforce integrated platform are the sales and service cloud activities. These sales and service cloud activities are the special Salesforce activities which are enabled whenever you have connected your Salesforce with Marketing Cloud. With Journey, you can update, create, delete, modify any Salesforce objects or any kind of information you want to create. You can create it with these Salesforce data within the Journey Builder. Now suppose somebody signed up on your website. Suppose you are a doctor, you are a clinic. Okay, I as a patient came to your website, I signed up. Once I signed up, I created as a lead in the Salesforce. Understand the system design here. I created as a lead in the Salesforce. Now to that lead will flow to Marketing Cloud. And in Marketing Cloud, an attractive data-driven email will be sent, addressing the customer with its first name, last name, beautiful welcome email. Okay, and then there is a button to book an appointment. Okay, to book an appointment, once the customer who signed up on your website, who became lead, received email from Marketing Cloud, clicked that link and booked an appointment. Click that link and booked an appointment. The appointment data will flow to Marketing Cloud. You have created some integration that whatever the time of appointment is booked, that data is coming to Marketing Cloud. Then once that data is available in Marketing Cloud, in your contact data, suppose any data extension you have created where you are storing this data, then based on that data, you can create a task activity in the Salesforce, that a task is assigned to doctor, that this person will be coming at this date. So all these kind of things are integrated. Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And suppose if somebody did not book an appointment, then engagement split will send him a reminder to book an appointment. If somebody booked an appointment and consulted a doctor, you want to send them a survey message. Okay. So all those type of integrations works with Journey Builder majority of time, because Journey Builder provides Salesforce activities. Like I have given you an option to create tasks. You can convert a lead. If somebody has booked an appointment, you can change the stage of a lead. You can create a case. You can make that lead a contact, or whatever things you want to do, all the objects you have in your hand, you can do that with Sales and Service Cloud activities. So today we will go and integrate. Our account is already integrated with Journey Builder. We will go and we will see how to work with Salesforce Sales and Service Cloud activities.